In this video, I'll be showing you how you add music to your video you are trying to edit on YouCut. Simple and easy. So you just hop on this page like this after selecting your video. What you do next is you slide. You see me sliding and you can see the arrow on the screen. That's music. Just tap on that there. Good. So some of these music are premium. You need to watch an ad before, or you need to be on premium version. But then I prefer watching the ad. So you just tap on it to listen to it. Right? And I think this is okay. So you can just tap on the use after tapping on that to use it. It's been added, right? Good. And when I try to play the video, you get to hear it. So now tap on that. This thing you added, the carnival, you tap on that. And when you tap on that, you see the volume there. You just tap on volume and you try to make the volume low or high. It's up to you. Good. And now let me unmute the clip. And I tap on it too as well, and I try to edit the volume too as well. So the volume should be higher, and that music should be like a voiceover. You get me? So that's it on how you add music and also adjust the volume for it to fit in the video on YouCut. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.